In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Twitch to Discord. By the end, your Twitch account will be connected to Discord, so you can unlock features like automatic sub-role syncing in supported servers and make your streaming presence more visible. All you need is a Discord account and a Twitch account you can sign into. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app or the web app in your browser. Either one works the same for this process. Make sure you're already signed into the Discord account you want to connect. If you're using multiple accounts, it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're on the right one before moving forward. Look to the bottom left corner of Discord for the small gear icon next to your avatar and username. That's the user settings button. Click it to open your personal settings panel. This is where Discord keeps all of your account preferences, including the section for linking other services. Inside user settings, find the connections option in the left-hand sidebar. Click connections to open the page where you can manage and add linked accounts. This page shows any apps you've already connected, and it's the hub for adding new ones. On the connections page, click view more to expand the full list of platforms that can be linked. This reveals additional services that might not be shown at first glance, including Twitch. Now, select the Twitch icon. Choosing Twitch tells Discord which service you want to connect, and it will prepare to start the sign-in flow. You'll be prompted to log into Twitch. Enter your Twitch credentials to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that verification as usual. As part of signing in, Twitch may also ask you to confirm that you want to allow the connection with Discord. This is normal and simply grants permission for Discord to recognize your Twitch account. If your browser opens a new tab or window during this step, don't worry, just follow the prompts there. Once you finish signing in, you'll be brought back to Discord and you should see Twitch listed under your connections. That's your confirmation that everything worked. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds or refresh Discord and check again. Make sure you logged into the correct Twitch account if you manage more than one, and that's it. You've linked Twitch to Discord. From here, any server features that rely on your Twitch connection can start working automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother integration between your streaming and your community.